YouTube? What's going down? Hope y'all feeling all right. Hope y'all having a good day today. Hoping things are going your way. If you need to talk, hit me up. Hit me up, bro. I listen to you. I talk to you, man. What's going on? Welcome back to the fourth dimension. Today we got this 2021 Jeep Gladiator Sport 3.6 liter V6, not the diesel, just to clarify things. I'm saying this because it might be different on whatever model you have or whatever models you're looking to purchase. So today we're going to be changing engine air filter, cabin air filter. Now you know I'll be going with K&N. K&N, sponsor me, bro. How many of y'all products I done bought? Go ahead, sponsor me, please. Hit me up. Go on, sponsor me, man. Look, I'm always buying y'all stuff and putting them in people's cars or putting them in my cars. You know, go ahead, slide me a little email. Know what I'm talking? Anyway, this is your part number for your engine air filter. This is the part number for your cabin air filter. The easier one is the cabin air filter. They're both pretty easy, but the cabin air filter is a little bit easier. You want to come right here. There's a tab that's holding this in place. So you can pretty much push it up. Use your thumb to push it out the way. If you want to be extra sure, I guess, you can squeeze it, you know, like you do the other ones. You squeeze it, push it in, then pull it down. That's up to you. Cabin air filter is right here. You can actually see it through the vents, but you're gonna press down on these two tabs right here and pull it towards you, and then slide it to the left towards the driver, and you're gonna squeeze this out of there like that. Now this is the tricky one. It's getting it back in there, because as you can see, if you can see, is there a flashlight in here? Oh, she got a flashlight. Cool. But it's not charged. Okay, hang on. We're going to use the drill. Get some light. As you can see, it's actually, the filter goes all the way to the left. So that means that this right here is blocking it. So when you're putting a new filter in there, you have to get around this. And you also can't see. So when you're putting the tab back on there, you need to slide it in there first, position it right and slide it, and then press it down. You can't just happy-go-lucky click it back in there. So this one's a little bit different from a Wrangler or a Patriot or things like that. Part number BF2064. See if I can get this box open. Now there should be two filters in here. Technically, they're separated. This makes it a little bit easier. Place one on one side, place the other on the other side. I'm actually going to spray these down with some Smell Good. You can see this one's dirty. I'm going to spray this down with some Smell Good, but I'm going to show you guys how to get to the engine air filter real quick. You're going to need an extension, not a screwdriver. You need an impact driver or a drill or whatever. You're going to need an extension. You can use a screwdriver if you want to. Just make sure you spray some WD-40 on these screws, because they're going to be difficult to get out since, you know, it's been sitting in the engine bay. You have one screw right here. You have two screws right there. Two screws right there. 3, 4. And that's it. Unscrew these. Struggling to grip onto it. Second one. That one's struggling too. Okay, we're gonna need something else for that. That one's easy. And that one's easy. Try this one more time. Okay. But basically, once you unscrew everything, you can literally just lift it up and get the filter from out of there. You don't have to take this off. Unscrew it, lift it up, stick your hand in there and get it. Let me get this other screw out. Okay, so the engine air filter isn't that bad, but whoever did this before additionally stripped that screw. Stripped the screw, which made it hard to get out. Had to, and you can use a flathead or a Phillips head. Really, at this point, preferably use a damn socket, like a little 8-inch socket or something. But I didn't bring the. I got a socket set, but I don't have a deep socket set, so that wasn't gonna work either way. But yeah, engine air filter. Like I said, lift it up, pull it out, put the new one in there. Gonna spray it down with the what you call it? What is this thing called? Compressor. Get this stuff from up out of here. Still some in there. Back over here, it's pretty much the same. Obviously take the plastic out, but drop one in there, push it to the side, and like I said, if you look through these vents, you can see where you're putting it at. Right? You see where you're putting it at in the vent. Obviously it's too dark, but there's some holes in here that you can see through, and you can see the filter right there, so you can see where you're putting it at and see if it's touching the wall or not. So you're just gonna put one in there, put the other one right next to it, and then we have the engine air filter. Doing stuff with one hand. It only goes in one way. Remember, it only goes in one way. But we can see. Hang on. Is that the right way? That's not the right way. We can see it's the same thing. Just the K&N is a little bit flatter. So all you need to do is make sure you're putting it in the right way, and it doesn't need to cover up the whole filter housing. Once you slide it back in there, push it back down, put your screws in, and you're done. I'm gonna finish washing this thing up. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you next time.